to say with Kita.
Kabir's World Learns COVID Safety. Written by Rubina Vij. Illustrations by Santhia Shenbagam R. Are you ready? Thank you. This book is dedicated to all of the essential workers. Thank you to everyone for playing your part in the recovery of our beautiful Earth and its citizens. We will survive COVID-19. Little Kabir looked out the window. He could hear the wind blow. There was nothing to do and nowhere to go. Why are the days going so slow? Mama, what will happen if we go out? Kabir, there is a virus going about, which can make one sick, no doubt, which is why not many are going out. I have stayed indoors for days. I don't even know when it is Sunday. I can't stay without my friends for one more day. Please, can we go to the play gym today? The day is nice and sunny. Instead, let's go to the lake, honey. It will be quite funny to see the geese scaring the bunnies. Kabir wore his favourite tee and said, Mama, look at me. Why, that's lovely, but you forgot something, sweetie. Mama held a mask in her hand. You can't go out without this, understand? All around is virus land. The mask will make you strong like Superman. Virus? What's that? Is it round? Or is it flat? Will it pop? Or will it go splat? Is it scary or cute as that cat? The virus is tiny and round. It is nasty and all around. But the mask will keep you safe and sound until a cure is found. At home you can do whatever, but outside, remember, the virus is danger. When you come home, wash your hands with soap and water. More you wash, it is for the better. Before eating food, wash your hands. Before touching your face, wash your hands. After using the restroom, wash your hands. After touching pets and animals, wash your hands. When in doubt, just wash your hands. Keep the mask over your mouth and nose, even if for a picture you have to pose. When you see a friend or someone you know, just wave, don't hug or get too close. Keep 6 feet distance between other people and you. The bad virus will have no way to reach you. How long is 6 feet? I will explain it for you. Imagine 2 shopping trolleys between others and you. That's social distancing for you. Will I be okay? Kabir asked. Yes, of course, but you should be masked. If a sneeze or cough is coming, get out the tissue fast. Follow the rules and the pandemic won't last. This is a pandemic. Repeat after me. Kabir said slowly. Pandemic. Once it goes away, surely we can all play merrily. It will be exciting to go back to school. I have even forgotten the swimming pool. I think everything will be cool once it is the end of the virus rule. I shall wait and be careful instead of being fearful. If we all stay safe, I am hopeful. We will no longer have to feel so awful. Thank you for listening. Be good for your parents and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching Storytime with Gita. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. 1, 2, 3. Read with me. See what's the next book is going to be. Pictures that are work of art and some books that make you very smart. With words that bounce up off the page. They are good for children of every age. Learn the letters A, B, C and stories that wow you and me. Grab your books and gather around and listen to Gita read aloud. Sit and enjoy the relaxing tone, and maybe one day you'll write your own. Don't forget to be good to mommy and daddy. Obey, respect, and help them daily. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye for now, but only for a short while.